This is my drawing of Dr. Emmett Brown from Back to the Future, and today I'll guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen or pencil and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Now on the top left side of each eye, we draw a smaller circle coming in for a highlight, and line it up on the right, and we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. We're going to add a fold underneath the eyes. Let's move to the center and draw the nose. Starting on the left side, cut this down and up. Step up and draw a short curve across the bridge of the nose. Now let's move all the way down, draw a curve for the mouth. Going to go up and then down. Add a bracket on the ends. Now just underneath the mouth in the center, add a short curve for the lower lip. Let's go back up to the nose. We're going to step down. We're going to add a fold going around and down towards the mouth. Let's go up above the eyes and draw the eyebrows. Starting from the outside, we're going to go up, bend that down, draw the same curve over the right eye. Now I'm going to add some thickness. Starting back on the outside, and go higher in the middle, and then bend that back down on the inside. Now from the outside of the eyes, we're going to step out and draw the lower half of the head. So we're going to start on the left side, we're going to curve this down, go across underneath the mouth, and pull it back up on the right side. Let's work our way up along the side, going out and then in towards the top. Now on the left side, we're going to bend this in and then down towards the middle. Curve this up towards the right and then back out. Let's add those wrinkles across the forehead. Starting from the left side above the eyebrow, come down and up, step up and draw a shorter curve. Now we're going to go back to the side of the head and draw in the ears. We're going to go up, come down, and then in. Let's add a fold across the top of the ears. Go back to the inside and add a hook. Now once we complete the face, let's draw the hair along the outside. We're going to start in the middle, go all the way up toward the top. We're going to start with a point. Let's add a point going out. Start with the left side, going up and then out. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. And then angle this back in to create a point. Now I'm going to work our way across the side of the head. Go out toward the left and then down. Let's add another point, bending this up and then in. Now I'm going to go all the way around towards the side of the ears. Again, continue with another point. All the way around and then in. And we'll add another point. I'm going to finish this off by coming down and in and tuck that up underneath the head. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start underneath the head on the left side, bend the body going out and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, and we'll do the same thing. Let's connect the hips with a curve, coming down and up. Step up and draw that again. Let's go to the center of the body and add a point. Draw a straight line coming down towards the belt. Go back up to the top, we're going to angle this up and then out underneath the head. And then we're going to draw in the collar. From the side, angle this down and out. Go straight up underneath the head. And we'll draw the bottom half of the collar, coming down and out, and then in towards the middle. Over on the right side of the body, draw a straight line going across the pocket, and I'll connect the ends of the half oval, coming down and then up. Let's go back to the belt. We're going to step down in the middle, add a curve, leave a gap in the center, go over toward the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and down toward the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up. Let's go back over towards the left side and draw the top of the foot. We're going to go up Bend this down, aiming toward the heel, and then just curl that back up toward the inside of the legs. Let's go back up to the hips. We're gonna draw the outside of the leg with that same curve that we have on the inside, and we're gonna pull that down on top of the feet. Now we're gonna add a thick sole across the bottom. So we're gonna take this curve, step up, and trace that across on both sides. And then along the bottom of the legs, we're gonna add a point. We're gonna go up, and then angle that back down. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're gonna start halfway between the head and the bottom of the belt. So right here, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a half circle coming in and out from the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now I want to add 3 fingers on either side. We're going to start from the bottom of the thumb, come down and bend that up around that bracket. Go to the outside, curl the second finger, and then the third finger, we're going to bend this up and then in underneath the head. Let's finish off by separating the sleeve from the top of the thumb. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Dr. Emmett Brown from Back to the Future. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.